Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So the question is given. Welcome back. Find the value of a, b, and c. Given a square plus b square is equal to 45. B square plus c square is equal to 40. So here the condition is that a plus b plus c, a, b, c are positive integers. So how to solve this problem? So here those who are new to this channel, like this logical, critical, and tough problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest update. Your subscription is important. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem or not? If not, you can watch the video. So here, first of all, what is given? You will write given a square plus b square is equal to 45. B square plus c square is equal to 40. Now if you subtract these two equations, so let it be 1 and 2. You have first you will subtract 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, this b square get cancelled. So here you will get a square minus c square is equal to 5. So a square minus c square can be written as a plus c into a minus c. So this can be written as 5 into 1. Now a plus c is equal to 5. A minus c is equal to 1. From this you will get 2a is equal to 6. A value will get 3. A value is 3. So here if a value is 3, from here only you can get c value. A plus c is equal to 5. So here 3 plus c is equal to 5. C is equal to 5 minus 3 will get 2. So here you got A value 3, B value 2, C value 2. Now you have to find B value. Replace A in 1. Equation 1. Replace A in equation 1. So a square plus b square is equal to 45. So you are replacing a value. A value is 3. 3 square. 3 square plus b square is equal to 45. B square is equal to 45 minus 9. B square is equal to 36. B is equal to root of 36. You are getting plus 6. So here you are taking positive integers. So here A, B, C values. So what you are having 3, comma 6, comma 2. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So this is a logical question. Simple logic is there. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.